everybody. Today I'm going to tell you about what kinds of food in my fridge. I have a lot of fruit. Apple, pineapple, grapes. I also have nuts, corn, cheese, milk. I do not have many eggs, fish, tomatoes. Bye bye everybody.